Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into the Google account that owns or edits the item. Once signed in, open Google Drive in your browser because the web interface exposes the full link and permission controls. Make sure you pick the correct file or folder and verify ownership or edit rights. This prevents broken links later. Now right-click the item to access the sharing menu. This first action moves you from setup to creation without wasting time on trivial steps. Once in the sharing dialog, click Get Link and notice the default restriction that prevents accidental public access. Change access to anyone with the link only if you need broad access, otherwise add specific people by email for control. Then set the role: viewer for read-only, commenter for feedback, editor to allow changes. Make sure to apply expiration dates or disable downloads if security matters. After configuring, copy the exact link shown. That is the only valid URL to distribute reliably. You finish by sharing and verifying. Paste the copied link into a private note and open it in an incognito window to simulate a recipient. If you see access denied, return to the sharing settings and confirm the access level or the added emails. Small typos are common. Once verified, distribute the link. If many files are involved, use a folder link to manage permissions centrally, which simplifies updates and avoids broken links when files move.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.